And one of these four methods will almost always give you near unlimited or even unlimited monies in your favorite game. Hello everybody, it's me, GameJacker, and today I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited money, coins, cash in your favorite Android, iOS, PC games, even console games. How do you do it? How does it work? Now, there is a way to do this on almost every game out there to some degree. Not in every game it will be as easy as in all the others. Now, if you've ever used Google, 99.9% of these mods and hacks and whatever tools that you'll find out there that advertise unlimited money, there will be for online games where it is impossible to directly get unlimited money, but I'm going to show you an indirect way using hackerbot.net. Now, hackerbot.net is a tool that allows you to find legitimate cheats from the best sources out there. Go to hackerbot.net by simply googling hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net and go to the download cheats section to find legitimate cheat downloads for any game out there. Now, how do you get unlimited money in every single game? Now, first thing you have to note when it comes to game jacking in general. Now, if a game does not require the internet, that means that all your data, including your monies, gets processed on your actual physical device. Now, this is called a client. Okay, your phone, your Android, your iOS, your PC, your console is the game client. In an offline game that doesn't require the internet, your client is all there is, which means you have access to the device that processes your money, which means you can jack the money easily. Now, for games that do require the internet, this works very differently. The money is oftentimes stored on the game servers, which you do not control. It's not on your device, which means you cannot directly modify the money values. So what that means basically is that tools such as, for example, mods or game jacking tools, such as you might find on hackerbot.net under software, for example, Android tools, iOS tools, PC tools, that allow you to modify game data and memory, or modded files such as you might find on Hackerbot or Hack Finder tool to download. They will only work for offline games to get you unlimited money directly. However, for online games that require the internet, there is still ways to get nearly unlimited money. However, it may take some time. Now, this is the first one, there are bots. Now, this is important. A bot is a software that plays the game automatically for you, allowing you to farm whatever currency you're looking for, money, coins, gems, to the daily cap and forever, basically autonomously. You don't need to interact with your bot. It just farms the game forever, and you can simply, enjoy the spoils, the money that the bot farms, the items, the whatevers. And this is, for online games, the primary way to get nearly unlimited money or unlimited money over time. Of course, if you're on the bot forever, you'll get near unlimited money. You're not gonna live forever, but that's another issue that, maybe technology will solve one day. Who knows? So bots are a very powerful way. If you want the links for all these things, there's also gonna be a tutorial on how to create your own bots for all platforms, and it will be down in the description below. While you're there, leave a like for the algorithms and subscribe to the channel if you want more game jacking content, of course. Now, if you have tried modding for offline games, and if you have tried using bots, and you have tried the game cheating software, and you're still unable to find a way to get unlimited money or near unlimited money, you might also want to look into, for example, exploits. Now, this is more of a niche case, but it works for online games mostly. Of course, if you're playing an offline game, you may have already found a mod or a software that allows you to get unlimited money directly. However, in some weird cases, it's impossible to actually bot the game. It's impossible to directly modify the money value. In these cases, exploits can be useful. These are bugs that can be exploited, and they sometimes get patched into a game with a new update and then get fixed later. and they can be extremely powerful. There are literally games where the economy has been broken by exploits, allowing people to duplicate items, creating essentially unlimited money out of thin air, and it happens more often than you think. So it pays to keep an eye on the forums and the places where exploits are discovered and searched for. Now you'll also find these places on hackerbot.net. Simply Google HackerBot and go to our hack finder and look for exploits for your game. In particular, in this tool, this will be very useful as well. And then of course, oftentimes another kind of game that cannot be botted or manually game jacked will be shooters, online shooters for example, where aimbots and ESP jacks can be extremely powerful as well in allowing you to farm a lot more efficiently. Of course, it's not a direct unlimited money jack, but it will allow you to perform a lot better, farm a lot more of those currencies quicker, complete more daily missions, complete more quests and whatever, and just get to the max level quicker, unlock everything, and all your platinum skins and gold skins for all your guns will be yours as quickly as possible. Anyways, guys, that is the ways you get unlimited money in these games. Again, don't get scammed by the fake mods and weird generators that you'll find if you're just randomly searching on the Googles or your local search engine. Head over to hackerbot.net, simply Google HackerBot or game hacks. And then also, if you're new to game jacking in general and you want to learn more of these concepts, the basics, and also the safety guidelines to how to not get banned, how to stay safe when downloading anything, check out the beginner's guide and check out all the links in that beginner's guide that will link you to more of the advanced ways to actually, not get caught. And please use cheats with respect for your fellow players and for the game itself. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. That's for unlimited money jacks. This will work on 99% of games, definitely, if not even 100. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope this helps. Leave a like down below, subscribe if you want more of this, and I'll see you guys next time. Game Jack out.